No, YouTube is not pushing my video. Look at what is happening here. All the video I've been sending. How many views is this? Man, I don't know. These people don't like me. Is it because I'm outside Ajashe? Somebody's name. Show you come and call YouTube.
This is the exact formula I use to get instant visibility the moment I upload my videos on YouTube. So let me show you the formula I use each time I upload my videos to get instant visibility. I bet you don't want to miss the last one. The moment you upload your videos on YouTube, as a small creator, YouTube usually send your video to a small number of people, and those people, YouTube watches if they click, watch your videos. If they don't, YouTube posts that video immediately. So what I do the moment I upload my videos on YouTube is that I first of all use my second account to watch my video. What you need to do is create a second account.
Second account?
Yes, use it to watch your video the moment you upload that video.
Okay, watch my own account, another one.
You create another one. You like the video, you comment on the video, watch the video from start to finish, not half. The second thing I used to do is that I share my video to reliable content. Those my families, my friends, those I know that are ready to engage on my video. See, first engagement on any YouTube videos help YouTube to promote that video to more people. YouTube sees it that this video is interesting. They push that video to other people. Because number one YouTube priority is the customer satisfaction, which is the viewers. So the moment viewers engage your videos and find it interesting, watch that video from start to finish, YouTube sees it that they like the video, YouTube pushes that video to other people. The second thing I do is that I share it to my community. See, community is another word where you can get views for your videos. Community. Yes, you share it to YouTube community. This place, YouTube community. Yes, that place you share your videos there. There are people that visit community. There are some viewers that always go to community and they watch your content.
Yes. YouTube has community.
That is where I share my videos. And maybe I upload my videos on YouTube. The next thing I do is that I share it to other social medias.
Other social media.
Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and even WhatsApp. Use your WhatsApp group. I leave a very sensitive and very attractive caption on that video. Let's say, for example, since you are into juice, right?
I'm not into juice. No, it's into juice. Use another example. Don't use my juice.
Okay, let's say you are into cake. If you want to bake cake, let's say you created a video on cake. You send it to other social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, your WhatsApp group. You leave a very sweet caption. I saw a video that a guy uploaded on YouTube. He forwarded that to my WhatsApp group. What he wrote there, the food you must taste before you die. You understand? So that alone make me click on that video. Yes, you use a very smart title for your video or caption for that video to attract people to click on that video and watch that video. That is the number 3 things I always do the moment I upload my videos on YouTube. Another thing that is making your videos not to get clicked is hook. The moment you start your video, go straight to the point. It's not time for you to start introducing yourself. Don't
YouTube is not showing my video. Will I not greet my customer? See, we respect our customer, respect our senior. We greet them. Good morning, yeah, this is Mr. Cheyo. This is let them know.
See, as a small creator, in fact, as a small creator, in fact, starting from today, don't ever greet anybody on YouTube. The moment you start your video, first of all, go straight to the point. Tell them what they're about to get from your videos. Tell them why they should watch your videos. Tell them the reason why they should stay long on your videos. Because your hook decide whether people will stay on your video or click off. If the hook were not able to grab people's attention, to steal people's attention, people will not stay on your video. And the moment YouTube notice people are clicking on your video and clicking off immediately, YouTube assume that your content is not interesting. So therefore, YouTube pause that video. That video will stop growing, stop getting views.
Wait,
so stop
I don't want to
introduction.
I don't want to instigate or believing that once you clients me,
you want to get views on YouTube, Abi?
Sure,
so stop greed the moment you start filming your videos. Go straight to the point so that you will capture people's attention so that they watch your video. That's why your videos are not getting views. You are greeting. you greet, you even tell them where you live and where you stay.
Even greet you need them. If some people are like that, wọ́n máa kọ́ ní bá gidi lèmi, wọ́n kọ́ wa nílé, wọ́n tọ́ wa lọ́nà. You come to a place where you know on the internet, we have old people, adults, great grandparents, they are there. You will not greet people just going on the internet because just start talking. You say YouTube now, they don't encourage morals me. You greet them. I don't know. I want my view to go, but
the right thing you should do is that start your videos with problem and curiosity. That is the right thing you should do.
No greeting.
No greeting.
No greeting.
No greeting. For instance, you don't have hook or you don't know what to use as your hook. First thing that the moment you come up with your video idea, take that video idea to YouTube search bar. Let YouTube generate videos that discuss or that treat that same topic that you want to treat. Then pick the title, the most suitable title that you want to use. Take it to ChatGPT. Then tell ChatGPT to give you a very stop scrolling hook that you can use for your video. YouTube will
stop scrolling.
Yes, that's a very attractive and very interesting hook that you can use to get people's attention, because first 5 to 10 seconds of your videos really matters. That is what decides whether people stay on your video or not. So go to ChatGPT to generate hooks. Plenty of hooks for you. What you should do is that take 1 or 2 that you want to use, memorize it, master it if possible. Say it more than 10 times on your comfort zone, so that the moment you face your camera, you just say it ahead. Say it with energy, strength. Yes, you use it.
You say it like that.
Yes, you try and memorize it. You just say it direct. And once somebody heard it, it drag people's attention to watch your videos. The next thing I always do is to make sure that I give 101% attention to my thumbnails and titles. Thumbnails and titles are kind of like together. As a small creator, you need to convince people with your title to click on your video. Now, how do you get people to click on your video with your titles? You need to use a searchable title, a problem-solving title, a title that attracts people, a stop scrolling title for your video. Now, you need to create a very clear, bold, and a very sensitive thumbnail for your videos. Now, whenever you want to upload your video, be intentional about your title. Don't just get any title anywhere to send on your videos. These are the formula I use as a small creator to get views on my channel. So if you are interested or if you want to see more of this video, a video like this that help you to know what to do and what not to do on YouTube, or how to get views, we bring YouTube to the grassroots. We help you to understand YouTube, not by stress, not by boring talking, also by entertainment, so that whatever you do, you'll be able to understand this YouTube left and right. If you try this formula, it will help you to start getting views. Have you subscribed to my channel?
If I did not subscribe, how would I
subscribe to my channel? If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. This is where we learn YouTube in a funny way. No stress. If you find value on this video, don't enjoy it alone. Subscribe to this channel. Share this video to get to other small creators like us, so that they will know what to do the moment they upload your video to get paid. See you in our next video.